How's it going, everybody? This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bike I want to show you. Got a 2012 Street Glide with the 103 cubic inch motor. It's got a 6-speed transmission, you know, for them long hauls. Beautiful blue paint job on this thing. As you can see, very, very clean. Got you a mag wheel for the front. Looks like brand new front tire was put on it by our full service department. Plenty of tread on that thing. Good paint job. Real nice paint job on it. Minor, barely even, I don't even know if you can see it on the video, rock chips here. Got an upgraded windshield to a Clockworks. That's an upgrade. Looks like we got some upgraded grips on it as well. Karaoke ISOs, those are nice. It's got a windshield bag already on it. AM, FM, CD player, radio. Electronic cruise control. Upgraded sissy bar for the passenger to keep them comfortable, and a rider backrest. Plenty of tread on that rear tire as well. Looks like it's got some Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers. That's an upgrade. A little bit of dust, a little dusty out here today. See how many miles we got on it. $8,822 miles. That ain't bad. For a 12, that ain't bad at all. Turn this radio down.
With Carter Blood Care.
See what she sounds like. Starts clean, no hesitations. That nice Vance & Hines sound that you always get from them pipes. This bike is eligible for extended warranty and financing. If you got any questions about this motorcycle, you can contact our sales team at 888-400-1151. We do ship bikes all over the world, so it wouldn't take much to get this thing to your front door for you. If you want to see some more pictures on this motorcycle, you can get on our website at cleanharleys.com. More information and more detail about this motorcycle is on the website. Well, this is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company. Thanks for watching.